In this video, I'll show you how to use 1xBet first deposit bonus. This is easy. Subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So to get a first deposit bonus, the first thing you have to do is to register your account. So click on registration and then choose the third option. This is the only option that a promo code deposit bonus is going to work in by email. So if you want to choose by email, fill in your surname and name. Then go ahead and choose your country depending from where you are from. So if you choose Ghana, for instance, your currency is going to change to the Ghana cedi. Then you choose your date of birth. So I'm just going to take a random date of birth and then you apply. Once that's done, you're going to use a valid email address. Use a valid email address means an email address you're currently using on your device. Then create a password using these four requirements. Once your password has been created, you're going to use the promo code Leo TV. If you use the promo code Leo TV, one is going to give you 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit 10,000, you're going to receive 30,000 as first deposit bonus. So once that is done, click on these three boxes and register your account. After completing your registration, deposit your first deposit immediately, and then the money is going to be sent to your bonus account, which you can start using. That's subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.